Our next competitor, Ted Brogan, on a 2002 Chevrolet out of Minerva, Ohio. Ted is a truck driver and an 8-year puller. Always a very competitive Chevy. He's looking to beat 298 and 6, currently being held by Dustin Kraft. And the green flags are out. Here we go, Chevy fans. Ted Brogan, 2002 Chevrolet out of Minerva, Ohio. Bennett, 5th-year puller out of Salem, Ohio. They would like to thank Power Max Performance and Bennett Trailer Sales. And the green flags are out. He's ready to rock the boat. Dale Bennett, 2004 Chevrolet. Getting her wound up. Here we go. He calls it Social Security. Three, 10, and 10 for Dale Bennett, a new leader. Studios. Any pullers that want a picture of their vehicle here tonight can go to their website at www.techfishphoto.com. And the green flags are out. 2005 Chevy, John Savage. Green flags are out. Here we go. Robert Woodman. Ryan Lawrence. He calls it Bad Bow Tie. Mike would like to thank Bill Troyer Trucking and a good running truck, Mike Troyer. In his 3rd season pulling, Ben Swanson, Misguided Fortune. Trying to get the turbocharger lit off the line. Ben Swanson is going to drop this hook and come back at the bottom of the class. In the class, John Savage, 2005 Chevrolet, out of Sebring, Ohio. Track, ready to go, Eric McConnell. For his second attempt, Eric McConnell. Run for the 2006 Chevrolet. A good one to beat right here. Cliff Carnes, 2001 Dodge. He calls it Bad Intentions. Come on, Carnes. How about that one? Cliff Carnes, ball running, Bad Intentions Dodge. Brian Winnery getting her wound up. Very good running truck. 2005 Dodge. That's a good run. The second truck on the track. Green flags are out. Evan Smoot. He needs to beat 3:24 and 3. It's going to be close. He needs to be 3:24. The distance to beat in the class so far is Evan Smuts, 3:30 and 5. All right, Dodge fans, here we go. Getting her wound up on the track. Adam Heelan, 97 Dodge. Paisley Machine all the way. Out of Swaley, Indiana. Awesome. Off constantly. Keithley